Hello, welcome to day 8 of Blooket Pack Opening. I didn't record like an hour ago because I was sleeping in, so let's just get into it. My main objective is the ice slime. If I could get that, that would be very nice. And then I would have the whole collection, but I have really big doubts that I'm gonna get it, but I don't really have that big of doubts, considering I've already got the 2 rare chromas. So it shouldn't be that hard. Right, time to sell the duplicates. No epics. Alright. I'm not getting very lucky today. Nope, I guess that's it for today. Is it? Yeah, it is. Alright, well, see ya.